Bango Kiare nigo giakorire egeikaro kiumwaka oyiga imi omuchio Nairobi na gukwanira ebitambukiro kiumbikio kiimukire eri Goting'Ia Obokoreri bwabo gochia asa Kenya. Okwana n'omunyakirugo w'ekiumbikio Humphrey Watanga nigaburire Abakenya gutwara okwegena ase ekiumbikio ekiagera obokoreri bwabo nigo buri obwo bwasyoku. Morikeito Linet Nyambane na mange.
Munyakirugo ase ebodi ekiombe kyogusangireria bango KRA Nderithu Murithi ukwaneire obuya bwokubwatera koboko obokoreri bw'ekiombe kyo ase chinchera chiekerero satebire nigo muroberi oyo orachikwenekia obokoreri bwasyoku amo n'obokoreri bondo bonge ukwana ime omuchio Nairobi ase geikaro kia matukabere ikigiachaka ritiko ria rero kyogukwanira obokoreri bw'ekiombe kyo ase omwaka bw'echiribu 2025 nigo Murithi aruro
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to just restate the obvious. No state exists without taxes. Let me say again, no state can exist without taxes. Now, I know some of my friends are fond of reminding me that as a state we do borrow. Yes, we do. But borrowing is deferred tax. Because even if the loan is for 25 years, we'll have to pay it back. Even if it's for 30 years, we have to pay it back. And we pay it with the taxes that we collect. Without commitment to shaping the future, by being innovative, by using technology, by being inclusive, and ensuring that service is at the center of everything that we do. From a governance perspective, we view this theme both as a guiding principle and a call to stewardship, one that ensures that the Kenya Revenue Service firmly remains on the path of transformation, providing the policy direction and institutional oversight necessary to sustain reforms that deliver lasting value to the Kenyan people.
Gukwana kurwa ase geikarekyo no mobiso monene ase ewizara yabonchoreria abakabaka monebyombe Susan Mageni asaruro kuburi gochia sabarai gotiga kogenga abananchi kubwatekana no moroberio bwe serikali onyota.
Advocating, the time has come where KRA ought to move closer to their client. So I told my boss, that is CS, that these people have now become of age. They are now coming to where their clients are. And the client of this great institution now is the MSME sector. January, Nyota is not a new initiative. Let me clear the air. That Nyota is a scale-up of Kenya Youth Employment Opportunity Program that was there for the last 5 years. It ended actually in 2022 when we were just coming in, and which presents 2 tracks for job creation. The first track is enhancing youth employability, and the second track is expanding youth employment opportunities.
Omokomishona bw'ekombekyo Humphrey Watanga nigatebire ekyombekyo nigo kere tayari kubwaterana n'eki sector chinde ekyo kyirire emeri asamangana yekerero na ribaratinye obokoreri bwabo.
This summit provides a space where such knowledge can move beyond exchange to become collaboration, transforming shared ideas into practical solutions that drive real impact across regions. For KRA, the diversity of global experiences in digital transformation is especially valuable. While some administrations are only beginning their digital journey, others are already exploring advanced technology such as AI-driven analytics, blockchain integration, and Internet of Things. By engaging in this exchange, KRA is eager to learn from the experience of those further ahead, rediscover the fundamentals that worked for advanced administrations, and hear from peers navigating earlier phases of digital transformation.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.